Hi guys, it's Chris here with selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this TrafficZION review. Now, for those of you out there who might have started an online business and you're probably facing the milestone or hurdle that most people face, and generally this kind of problem doesn't go away, and that thing is traffic. If you are trying to get traffic to offers, to videos, to landing pages, to e-commerce stores, to anywhere, this product is definitely for you. This is a turnkey traffic getting product that is going to send traffic to wherever you want it to go pretty much immediately. It's a pretty amazing product, and today I'm going to show you what that looks like with a demo from the creator Demetrius, so you know exactly what it looks like, what is involved, and how it works. As well as that, I've also thrown together a custom bonus bundle of my own premium bonuses that I've handpicked to go hand in hand with TrafficZION, so you get the absolute most out of it and you just cannot fail with it. You will definitely find success with it. So before we get into that, drop a like on this video, hit subscribe, and turn on that bell notification if you want to be updated with new products coming out like this all the time that are going to help you to find success online. Also, if at any moment you want to jump ahead during this video, make sure you first click the link in the description. What that will do is take you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And the way this page works is it is integrated with the official TrafficZION website. So if you click on any of these green buttons here, it will lock in all those bonuses before sending you off to TrafficZION. And if you do go with it, you'll not only get TrafficZION, but you're going to get a whole lot more value thrown in a big bundle that you can access immediately. The first bonus I've thrown in is for those of you who might not have really started an online business, or maybe you have, but it's not really working. You're not sure if you've covered all the bases or not. This is my premium blog creation, niche blog creation training. And this goes into how people create niche blogs in, obscure niches, not so obscure niches, and set them up with content and send traffic to them. And these are really the original kind of staple of making money online and making passive income online, is setting up niche blogs that have content on them that are consistently generating you income. And if you have a tool like TrafficZION and you're setting up all these blogs everywhere, you're gonna have the potential to make a lot of money. This is a very scalable combo between the training that I offer you and TrafficZION. Bonus number 2, similar kind of thing, but if you want to go down the e-com route, maybe you're selling products, or maybe you're drop shipping or drop servicing, this training goes into really how to set up an e-commerce store. E-com, affiliate marketing, these are two big staples in the making money online kind of industry. So if you want to set up an e-com store where you're selling physical products or drop shipping them, similarly to the last bonus, you've got TrafficZION sending you traffic, the more traffic you get, the more potential buyers you're gonna get. Okay, it is a numbers game, and this is gonna go into setting the e-com store up for you. So you have the e-com store, and then you have the tool sending the traffic to that store, buying products from you. Bonus number 3 is I threw in my own traffic product, my own traffic training. This is a product that I've probably my biggest bonus, and a bonus that is not gonna be free for a long time. This is gonna become a paid product in the next month or so. But I've thrown everything in the kitchen sink into this product. It's probably my biggest bonus with getting traffic, because I know that's the biggest hurdle people face. As I said, this goes into a lot of secret growth hacking techniques, how to utilize SEO properly, how to do SEO really, and how to also drive traffic from social media. And also, as I said, lots of other strategies, which I've paid, thousands in training and coaching for, that you're not really going to find anywhere else. There's a lot of tips on here on how to drive traffic. TrafficZION is going to get you traffic, but you can never have too much traffic. So I want to double down on this thing and ensure that you really get all the traffic that you can deal with. And, in turn, that's where the money is going to come from. Bonus number 4 kind of builds on that. Maybe you haven't thought about this, but if you're setting up any kind of business, it's important that if you're sending traffic anywhere, you should be setting up sort of a capturing, some kind of capturing mechanism, lead magnet, email opt-in, something of that variety. I go into it in my blog training, and it's something you should really think about, because what you don't want is people visiting your site, visiting your pages, and then just leaving. It's better if they visit your page and you can somehow capture them, entice them to enter their email address in, so then if they do bounce off, if they do go away, you can still contact them again And often the second touch of contact is what really makes you the sale, and a lot of people making money online can attest to that. So this is going to go into not only enticing the people to sign up, but then the second part of the training is how to grow, nurture, build trust in that email list so you can use it as a source of, consistent revenue. Bonus number 5 is the vendor has hooked me up with their bonus vault, full access, and they've got a bunch of gems in here. So in their bonus library, they're throwing in a couple products here that you can pause your screen and take a look at. So, helping you with SEO, rankings, landing pages, viral secrets, SEO again, creating your first startup, creating a profit blog, and WordPress websites. So almost about a dozen bonuses there as well. So they're all getting thrown into the bundle too. So if that sounds good to you, step 1, link in the description. You'll go to this page, lock in the bonuses with these green buttons. That will send you off to the TrafficZION sales page, which looks like this. Go through this in your own time, check it out, look at everything that it offers. There are some great testimonials in here. This is not really a new product. People have been using it. This is a tested product, and people are already finding results with it. So that if that's not the mark of a good product, I don't know what is. There are a lot of testimonials here, video and written. So go through that. If you do decide to go with it, you'll be sent a digital receipt, which looks like this one here. And under the green button will be TrafficZION. Under the blue button, all those bonuses. So super simple. My email's here. If you do have any problems, don't hesitate to get in touch. Now keep it on this countdown timer. This is all part of a launch week special. This is in tune with the launch week. So when this hits 0, it will no longer be launch week, and the bonuses and any discounts that are activated through these green buttons will also no longer be available. So make an informed decision, but the sooner you get in, the way more you're gonna get, and for my money, the way more chance of success you're gonna have, okay? So without further ado, I'll send you over to Demetrius to run through the demo of TrafficZION for you.
Hi JVs, and thank you for being here. Now real quick, I'm going to give you a walkthrough and demo on how TrafficZION is going to be bringing you organic traffic, targeted traffic back to your websites. Now this is a simple tool that we used to automate a process that if you did it manually, you would see results almost immediately. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly where you're going to be getting that traffic from. So basically it's 38% of the population is powered from this traffic source. And it's true. The stats that is showing us on SimilarWeb is that this is a very, very popular place with a lot of traffic from a lot of countries, mostly top tier. And there is content and traffic from there that is basically untapped. Now, the way that I would have brought traffic when I would start off with my website was basically head over to the WordPress reader, the WordPress.com reader. And in this area, let's say we'll focus on the travel niche. If I wanted to find more people looking for the travel in the travel niche, either content creators or visitors or anything like that, then I would go ahead and come to this area where it says tags, and I would enter a tag and put something like travel. Now this will bring out content from other people that are in my niche and also followers of that niche. So what I would do is come and follow these blogs that you can see here. And once I'm interacting with these blogs and websites that other people have put, I'm showing interest in this by maybe even saying great content. Now, our software does not place any comments, but if somebody saw my like, that I clicked on like, and they saw my profile, the way that I set it up through the TrafficZION method is that they'll be able to click on this profile and take you straight back to your own website. So this is my fiance's website, where we're using as a demo so you can see, because we've been using TrafficZION from day one since she set it up. Now it's been since November of 2018 when we set this up, and we've been getting traffic consistently after we've turned it on in November. This provided us a lot of engagement with our websites, where they actually would engage with her posts, with the links. They came from different countries. Followers, every time she wrote an email, people are reading those posts, and this has been all done through the traffic from WordPress reader, which helped push then into the search engines and getting her top tier country visits, and plus a lot of clicks on her content, which means that if you're affiliated with any of the content with your links and they're being clicked on, then you're going to be seeing results, as in conversions for offers that you're promoting or your products that you're selling. So it really is for anybody that wants to bring any kind of targeted traffic that will engage with the user through these types of engagement posts. You can see that she's getting comments from all these people are on WordPress, and there's an engagement, as you can see, real people engaging with her website. Now, I've done this for multiple sites for the past 3 years, and using TrafficZION has brought us tremendous traffic, and now we've got it online. So it's really simple. Once you sign up into your software account, you're going to come over, you're going to be adding the actual blog that you have. So let's, for the example purposes, it's the travel blog that I created for my fiance, which is this one right here. And you can see that it's just as simple to connect. All we do is once we create the account, I'm going to scroll down and connect everything with if the training inside the TrafficZION showing you. Once you connect all that 3 steps, you'll be able to go ahead and click on approve, and that's it. And once you've approved, then you've got your site running and bringing you traffic on 24/7. Now this automates the process by adding the tags, which is the keywords. Our software goes back and engages all, finding keywords in all posts found inside the WordPress reader. Anything that is created and you enter that keyword, it will show up right here where our software is doing it in the background. You don't need to have it your PC on. This is running on the background, and this is how TrafficZION brings you real organic traffic back to your websites on a day-to-day basis, never ending. It's just an untapped traffic source that it really literally never ends. Okay, there's always new people coming on the WordPress, building new content. Whatever content they build, it's going to be found on here. I hope you enjoyed this quick demo of TrafficZION, and I'll see you inside.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. You're looking forward to getting your hands on TrafficZION and, you know, climbing that hurdle of traffic, the biggest hurdle most people face. Now, really quickly before we close out the video, if you go through the link in the description, again, I've got a bit of a write-up here about what you can expect, what the product is, but more specifically the pricing. And the front end is here, and this is everything that's included. Now, get in on the front end at least, because if this is something that you think you want, you can get it for $27 or $37 for 5 websites. And if you wait, it becomes a monthly fee. Okay, so pay one time, or, you know, if you use it for a year, it's 12 times the amount. So for me, get the front end, and also you only need the front end to get access to all the bonuses I talked about at the beginning of this video. Okay, but there are upgrades that you can buy, so come through, check them out. We've got a tribe, TrafficZION tribe option. This is community-based traffic. So every time you post content, the community will go through and, you know, visit that content. And that, of course, if you get more traffic to your content, that massively boosts your SEO. So then you're going to get, in turn, more organic traffic. And that initial boost from the tribe kind of sends all your content on an upward spiral. If you have affiliate links in that content, you're going to make sales. Upgrade number 2 is the inner circle. So this is sort of a blueprint, kind of your training option. If you want the extra training, if you want the extra help, if you want extra plugins to make it work, you might want to go with this option. That's if you're very new. Upgrade 3 is the done for you option. So this is like setting up the website for you, taking care of everything, taking care of the logo, the branding, the users, even giving you content, niche content to put into your blog. It's quite expensive because obviously you're using the time of the creators in order for them to create it for you. So you've got to cover those costs, of course. But if you want a kind of a head start and kind of, you know, have everything set up for you, you don't want to do that kind of tedious kind of initial setup. of your website, then go with that one. And then the agency, of course, for you agency people out there, if you want to sell the service that TrafficZION offers to your clients as a service that your agency offers, you're going to need this license here. So everybody's different. I just don't want you to be surprised during the buying process that these will be offered to you. So come through, check them out on your own, figure out which one is right for you. If you do have any questions, drop them in the comments, message me in social media, on email. I do reply to everybody. And if not, take action. I know you're going to find success. Those bonuses are really, really going to help you. I'm definitely sure. I stand by those 100%. So best of luck, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.